Hi, in this video I want to give you a short introduction to the PrimusNote Backend. This will help you to set up your installation, add your own logos, etc. So as you can see here, we have installed PrimusNote and activated the PrimusNote plugin. And now we have this new item over here with theme settings and the PrimusNote settings itself. Now the theme settings are for the kind of block that you see when you open your site. And the PrimusNote settings over here are for the actual PrimusNote service. So this is the site that you see when you install the theme. And since I'm logged in, I can just click here and open the PrimusNote service. Now you should make sure that you might not want to install this theme on your main domain like primusnote.org, but rather in a subfolder, because this is really a private installation. Always make sure to check on latest WordPress security news. You should probably use some security plugins and make sure that your installation is safe, because if you use PrimusNote as a project management system, of course, you have valuable information. All right, so all the settings for this part are within this menu. You can upload a logo, a Retina logo, and you can choose to show that wavy image here on top. Also override it, of course, and you can also, for security reasons, choose not to show that login button over here. Of course, there's also space for footer logo, footer Retina logo, etc. That is for the block. So let's check PrimusNote itself. Looks very similar. You can upload your own logo, so you don't have to use our PrimusNote logo. You can brand it to your likes. You can also upload touch icons, Apple Touch icons. This is basically for when you save your website on your device, because if you do so, this means that you can access it like an app as long as you have an internet connection. And you might want to have your own icon for that. Then there are some other basic settings like custom project image you can choose. You can choose from one of our custom project images that we all have taken from Unsplash, which is an amazing website. You should check it out, unsplash.com. And of course, there are information for the Kanban board. What's the Kanban board? The Kanban board is that, that thing here for the issues that allows you to work down several smaller tasks that you might have within a project. So this is the Kanban board, these three boards: to do, review, done. So you might want to change the wording here from to do to something else, etc. You can also choose to show IDs. What does it mean? Well, if you're a coder, you probably know this kind of stuff. This would add, well, we can just do it for a second. This would add a number in front of each item. So this is very handy if you, for example, want to refer within a chat to a certain issue. Let's say you have 300 issues. It's much easier to say, oh, please have a look at 137 instead of, oh, please have a look at jQuery animation. So this is the idea behind this. Just for the demo purposes, we will turn it off. And finally, you can count issues in done column as a no-show. What does it mean? Well, if there is an issue over here in done, it means it won't be counted over here. So this means there's 7 open issues because these here are done. They're not counted in. That's everything behind this option. All right, then of course you have some styling possibilities here. Make sure to mark these checkboxes because this is required to overwrite the default layouts. And then MISC is still empty, but you should check it out because we'll be adding a lot more features in the future. Finally, let's have a look at our widget. We have a custom widget which allows you to show from a certain project the latest notes, issues, or to-dos. What is that? This is basically this widget over here. Right now, this shows the latest notes, and of course, you can have several issues, several widgets at once in one sidebar, having the latest content information. All right, I think that's it for now. If you have any more questions, simply let us know in the help forum, and we're very happy to help you sort everything out.